21.
Happy 1st of December.
I didn't.
Hi, Faves. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You're not seeing Taylor properly. Ooh. Say good morning to the Faves.
Wagwan.
Sarah, say good morning. Good job. What date is today?
I found Sarah one.
Yeah. What date is today?
1st of December.
Counting down to Christmas. It's the first we haven't put up our Christmas tree as yet. Can you tell Mel have been busy? Yep, Christmas tree needs to go off the SLP. But the kids are heading off to school. Mel don't have school anymore. So we're back to regular scheduling programming. And the kids are going to find the first chocolate of December. Here, find your number one.
Oh, I got.
Come, Sarah, look for number one.
Oh, I find it now.
Yay! Open it, Sarah. Open it. Tata, open it. You find it?
Yes.
Push your finger in here, Sarah. Push it. Open it, Sarah.
I have a little beer.
What is it?
What's
What's that? It's the... What is this? It's the mistletoe to go on the Christmas tree. You see?
Yeah.
Wow.
Number 7.
Here, eat it.
Number 7. Show it to
That's number
Faves
one.
first. And
That's
me,
that Sarah chocolate.
and beer.
What you have, Ty? Eat it.
A little beer.
Let me see.
Lint.
A little beer.
Lint beer
Okay,
holding
so
a
we,
gift.
so we tear off this window. This window is open. Day one. Eat your chocolate. Eat your chocolate. Here, go put them back while I open
Baba,
it for you. Hmm?
when we open it, when we look at the side, sometimes we can see the chocolates
That's okay. Go, put it up.
That's what
Tai have a
beer.
beer.
Sarah have a Christmas.
A Christmas. It's yummy. Come, eat. You need to go brush teeth.
I got taste it first.
Sit. Oh, there's white inside. Give it a big bite. What kind of small bite is that?
I'm tasting it.
He's funny. Oh! Anyway, you guys, I am gonna have to try and get myself together to figure out my schedule once again. I decided to sleep in this morning, but I'm itching to work out. So let's see after I drop the kids and come back if I'll get that done. But anyway, have a good day, and I'll see you guys throughout the rest of today. Tell Fizz later.
Later.
Tell Fizz
À
later.
tout à l'heure.
At the taller in the French meet later. Alright, ready to go get ready for school? Ready to go get ready for school?
Yeah.
Alright, come on, let's go. Yes, mama. Come, Ty, let's go.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
No, because the vlog is ongoing for you, but for me, it's in the evening. I'm in the kitchen. Today has been cleaning, getting the house fresh, relaxing a bit, trying to edit old videos that I needed to go out. So you guys may or may not have seen that there's a new video on my food channel of how to make Jamaican Christmas cake that I filmed for you guys from 1 year ago, and I'm finally getting to post it. So if you guys haven't seen that video yet, go ahead and check it out right now on my food channel at Mel's Kitchen Jamaica. It will be there waiting for you, girl. And tell me how you like it when you make it, and how did your cake turn out. I am here making some dinner. I have a little over 1 hour before I go and pick up my kids from school. So I am making dinner so that when they come home, dinner will be ready just in time to eat. I'm making. Can you guess what I'm making today? Guess. Comment down below. Let me see how good you guys are before I show you. Comment down below what I'm making. I'm making something that I haven't made in a long time. So I am making, let me show you what it is. There we go. Isn't that looking delicious? Oh my gosh. I'm making stew chicken. So this is how I normally make my stew chicken. I normally make everything sauteed on its own with all the seasoning. Don't add no water until the very last minute. So I'm going to cover this right now and let it continue cooking on its own. And then I'm going to move on to some fish. And I'm going to do some pasta and some broccolis. And that's going to be dinner for today. Alright, you guys. So while cooking is happening over there, ironing is happening over here. When you don't have hubby help, you have to pack everything. When you have time, you gotta do it. I still didn't finish editing, but I have to go pick up the kids. And I don't like to iron when the kids are around. When they're playing and stuff with the iron in the way. So I'd rather to iron now and finish editing later. So I'm multitasking, cooking and ironing. How's your day going? Let me know down below. How's the multitasking going today? Are you getting stuff done? Or you're not that kind of multitasking kind of person? You like to do one thing at a time? Some of us don't have a choice but to multitask. Finished cooking, just in time to go pick up my babies. Fish done, pasta done, brown stewed chicken done, and broccoli's done. And not that I only finished cooking, but I finished ironing. So I'm right on target, shorty. Right on target. Look how she's gonna sit in your head. Yes. How am I gonna help you? I can't help you. Be careful. What's wrong?
Apple juice.
Please.
Please. Apple juice. Apple juice. Apple juice. It's me apple juice. Red. Rabbit. Apple juice. This is apple juice.
Here. What do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please, Mama, may I have orange juice? I wanted orange juice since yesterday. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Leo, stop! Stop! Jour de la gazelle! Hop! C'est jour de la gazelle!
Here. Come for it, Ty.
Thank you. Gazelle, 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 gazelle.
Ty, you're gonna fall. Ty, come up properly. You're gonna fall. Jesus Christ.
I can't fall. Ah, thank you.
Oh my God. Listen, they're killing me. You ready to go to bed? Come. Tell face night night.
Night. Night night. And don't forget when I'm eating the chocolate. And that.
Come, let's go. Oh my God. Oh my. Tiki. Sarah. Where's Papa? Who else is watching the World Cup like my husband? I guess all of y'all husbands are watching.
Men.
Mans.
Men.
All the mans are watching.
All the mans in the world.
There's
Yes,
quite-
you see, I do mistake.
There's quite a few women I know that's watching
Of course,
football.
a lot of
Obsessed.
women, yeah.
Obsessed.
Yeah, good amount of woman too.
But babe, I can't get his attention once the football is on.
Right now I'm focusing. I've never really been like this, but it's like this. Then I'm feeling my foot is cold.
Well, if you don't have on any socks, babe, and you're standing on the towel, what do you expect?
What is that? Socks.
So if you have on socks and your foot cold, what else do you want?
Warmer
Thicker
socks.
socks?
Yeah.
So put on a thicker
Yeah, I
sock.
will do that.
Look at my foot. Look at my foot. Look at my foot now.
You still have your shoes on.
Exactly, as usual.
Anyway, guys, that was a good day. I hope you had a good day. I had a good day. I had a good day.
I had a weird day.
You had a word
I cannot find my balance.
A positive day, right?
I'm tired. Not
Positive
so
day.
tired, but I should be relaxing right now. I'm editing at 9 o'clock at night. 9:30.
tomorrow?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I said do what you have to do.
Yeah, I don't have a choice. Well, I have a choice, but I don't have a choice. Like that.
It's your job.
Yeah. No work, no pay. Anyway, you guys, I'm coming on to end this vlog with this. How's your hand?
It's okay.
No more pain? Still paining every now and then?
Bear the pain.
You bear the pain like
Yeah.
a champ.
Yeah. You can't share something that you can't share the pain. You can't share the pain. So I keep it inside me.
Alright, as usual.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, we're sending him back to his TV. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below. Subscribe if you're new, catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys
Wow.
tomorrow.